Transform your AI art from static image to living, breathing animation by bringing your Midjourney creations directly into the powerful world of Blender. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the exciting process of exporting images generated by Midjourney and seamlessly integrating them into your Blender 3D animation workflow. First, you'll need to have your desired image ready from Midjourney. We're going to take this static piece of AI art and prepare it to become a foundation for our 3D scene. Open Blender and start with a new general scene. We'll be using a simple plane as the base to project our Midjourney image onto. Add a plane to your scene. This plane will act as a canvas for our AI artwork. Scale up the plane to a suitable size to accommodate your image. Think about how you want your artwork to be framed within your 3D environment. Now, let's head over to the shading workspace here. We'll set up the materials and textures for our plane. Create a new material for your plane. We'll be using a principled BSDF shader. Add an image texture node to your node editor. This is where we'll load our Midjourney image. Connect the color output of the image texture node to the base color input of the principled BSDF shader. This will apply your Midjourney image to the plane. Click on the folder icon in the image texture node and select your exported Midjourney image file. And just like that, your AI artwork is now texture on a 3D plane. You can now manipulate this plane in 3D space, giving your Midjourney image depth and the ability to be animated. From here, the possibilities are endless. You can extrude sections, add lighting, composite it with other 3D elements, or even animate the plane itself to create dynamic visual effects. This is just the beginning of integrating AI art into your 3D animation pipeline, opening up exciting new avenues for creativity and bringing your AI-generated visions to life.